Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will discuss a query, and our query is write an SQL query to show only odd rows from a table by using MySQL inbuilt function. To fetch odd row from a table we need to use at least one inbuilt function of PHP, one inbuilt function of MySQL. So interviewer want to know how much knowledge you have about the inbuilt function of MySQL. So let's write a query to fetch odd rows by using inbuilt function of MySQL. I have a table here, students, and in table students we have two records 1 and 3, and these 1 and 3 records are odd records. So by our query we should get the result of only two records 1 and 3. So let's write the query for this. Select star from students where mode, we will use in MySQL inbuilt function mode here. ID, pass the column ID to modulus and not equal to 0. Let's execute, and we are getting only old record 1 and 3 by using mode's inbuilt function. And we have already discussed to fetch old record without using inbuilt function like this. ID mode 2 not equal to 0. So this is same result by this. So mode function do exactly like this, ID modulus 2. So I think it is clear to you how we can fetch the odd record from a table by using mode function, inbuilt function of MySQL, and without using mode function. So thank you for watching.